Welcome to First Man Satellite. Look at this TV. This is Samsung 40 inches television. You see, I've plugged it in power. You can see the red indicator on, like this. You see this TV, when you turn on, it doesn't, the pictures doesn't come. Look at it. You see, I've turned on. Look at it. You see the screen? You see, it doesn't come. Though it has turned on, but it doesn't come. So I'm coming to open this TV and know the problem of this TV. So welcome to First Man Satellite. This is Samsung 40 inches television. You can see, look at the back of the TV. This is how the back looks like. You can see, look at the model number. You see the model number UA40N500LU. This is Samsung 40 inches television. I'm coming to open this TV to know the problem of this TV. Welcome to First Man Satellite. You see, I have opened the back of this TV. As you can see, this is the video board. That's the motherboard inside, as you can see. And here is the power board, as you can see. And here is the front panel board, which is a T-con board, as you can see. There is no problem on the board, so surely it is the backlight. It is a backlight problem. So I'm coming to continue opening it to remove everything to reach the backlight and see whether the backlight is working or not. Welcome to First Man Satellite. This is Samsung 40 inches television. How to solve a backlight problem of Samsung TV. Welcome to First Man Satellite. Please subscribe and share. You see, I have opened the inside. This is how the inside looks like. This is the backlight. You see, yes. So I'm coming to check this LED lights and know which one is the problem, and then remove it and replace to solve the problem of the backlight. Welcome to First Man Satellite. So this sheet, I have to remove this sheet too. Yeah, so now you can see I have removed the sheet and only left the LED light inside, as you can see. So I'm come to check them one by one and know which one is the problem. Welcome to First Man Satellite. Please subscribe and share my channel. I'm coming to test the LED lights one by one to know which one is the problem. So I'm starting to check. Welcome to First Man Satellite. So look at this. You can see this one here is positive like this. You can see, yes, this one is okay. Okay, this one is okay. This one too is okay. This one too is okay. As you can see, this is how to test backlight, LED backlight. You see, all this LED light here is working properly. If you can see, no problem. Okay, Let me check this one too and see which one is the problem. Let me check and see which one is the problem. See this one, okay. This one too, okay. This one too, okay. This one too, okay. See, this is how to test LED light. This one too, okay. This one too, okay. See, this one too, okay. You see, so this one, and this one, oh, okay. So only left this one. So it is telling me definitely that this one is the problem, which is making it not working. So let's check and see. Let's check and see to know this one here. You can see this one, okay. If you can see, let's see here. You see this one cannot, this one bad. Let's check here. You see this one too bad. Let's check here. You see this one too bad. You see, let's check here too. This one too bad. You see, so this one is the problem. You can see this one is the problem. You can see this one is the problem. So and this one, okay. This one, okay. You can see this one, okay. This one, okay. Let me come here. You see this one good. You see this one good. You see this one good. So this LED light here must be changed. This one must be changed. So this is how to solve a backlight problem of any LED TV. You see, you just test the LED lights one by one to know which one is the problem. Then you replace it. And you can see I have 20 LED lights here. So you just have to replace it and then the problem is solved. Welcome to First Man Satellite. So I'm coming to do exactly that. Please subscribe and share my channel. Now you see, yeah, I replace it with this LED light. If you can see properly, you see, yes, I tried to replace it with this LED light. You see, I made it 4. I made it 4. If you can see, yes. At first, the one that comes with the TV, it was this one, and it was 4. But I prefer to use this LED light. The reason is that this LED light takes more voltage. You see, all this, I supplied it with 12 volts. So all these 4 LED lights are using just 12 volts. If you can see, yeah. But this, the old one, it was using 200 volts. 200 was very high. So if you put any LED light in that same kind in the TV, small time, if I'm not lucky, it will get bent again. But for this one, I supplied with only 12 volts, and if one eye of the LED light get bent, the rest will not go off. So I'm turning it on. I'm putting power in for you to see. You see, yes. You see? You see? Yes. You can see all is working very well. So I only supply it with 12 volts. 12 volts. And this one, when one eye goes off or gets bent, the rest will not go off. So you can watch your TV without any problem. Welcome to First Man Satellite. So now I will continue with it. I will turn the TV and show you where I connected my 12 volts from. Welcome to First Man Satellite. Please subscribe and share. You see, now I've turned the TV and look at it. You see, this is 12 volts. You see, this is 12 volts. You see, look, you see 12 volts, 12.6. You see this one too, 12 volts. See 12. So I connected the wire from here. From here, if you can see very well, see from here to the inside the TV. You see, so I took the 12 volts from here, and this I took the ground from here. I took the ground from here. So like this, I'm supplying the whole thing with 12 volts, and it's working very fine. So now I come to cover everything and turn the TV on and see what will happen. Thank you and welcome to First Man Satellite. Please subscribe and share. So you see, now I'm done with the TV. Here is it. If you can see, yeah, Samsung 40 inches LED satellite TV. So right now I'm coming to turn it on to see whether I'm successful or not. So I'm turning it on right now. Let's see whether I will be successful or not. Good. That's it. This is how to solve a backlight problem of LED satellite TV. You just have to replace the light which has been bent or spoiled, and then put in any good LED light that can work for the TV. So this is how to solve LED light problem, which is backlight problem, of it everything is working correctly. Yes, that's it. Welcome to First Man Satellite. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.